Hi, my name is Sarah. Today I'm going to be talking about different strategies that teachers can use to teach science. So to start off with, I'm going to show a visual to spark an interest in students' learning. So I've got a glass of water. I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. And I'm teaching 5th grade, so we're going to be discussing and talking about properties of matter. So this here would be a physical change. I would ask the students what kind of change this is. And so they would, tell me that it was a physical change. Now, we've been talking about solids and liquids. So I have an ice tray. And I would show them a piece of ice. Ask them, is this a solid or liquid? They would tell me it was a solid. I would put it into a pot. I would tell them that I'm going to leave it out for about 15-20 minutes and ask them what would happen. And they would tell me that it would change to a liquid. So about 15-20 minutes later, we would look and we would see how the solid changed to liquid. It melted into water. So there's just different ways to engage students and to help them learn. Now, if I would take a piece of paper and I would ball it up, this here would be a physical change. If we were looking at a fire, wood burning, that would be a chemical change. Now, we have visual learners, we have kinesthetic learners, and we have auditory learners. With my auditory learners, what I do is I have students to read and take turns reading to each other. And then they do think, pair, share. They do rally robin. They do round robin. And what they're doing, they're actually learning from each other. They have face partners. They have shoulder partners. After they read, I give them time to think. And then they discuss what they read. So this is very engaging. I actually have them up and out of their seats. They're moving around. They're finding a partner who is not in their group. And they are discussing and teaching one another what they have read. Now for my visual learners, I show videos. I use vocabulary, which is a good online website to use to teach science. I have kids coming up to the interactive smartboard. I give them iPads. They can Google and research, and there's assignments on there on vocabulary that they can do. Sometimes I'll have the hands-on learners to draw. We'll do a Venn diagram, and they will distinguish between physical and chemical changes. They'll draw 2 circles, and they will tell me the differences and the similarities. And so there's just so many different ways that we can engage students and help them learn. Thank you.